Hi guys, today we're gonna be playing the Minecraft update. You looking for it? Nothing about it. We're gonna be playing the Minecraft update. Can y'all guys hear me? Yeah, y'all guys can hear me. So we're gonna be playing the Minecraft update. So yeah. Yeah guys, y'all can see the state. If y'all can be able to see this. Okay, yes. Okay, so um, oh, so this thing the life update. I'm pretty sure. Take this one. Maybe that's the separate update. So guys.